Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create and modify lists. Specifically, we'll cover a few objectives here, so format paragraphs as numbered and bulleted lists, change bullet characters and number formats, define custom bullet characters and number formats, increase and decrease list levels, restart and continue list numbering, and finally set starting number values. Before we start, I encourage you to subscribe if you haven't done so already so that you don't miss out on any new training content. And if you find this video useful, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So firstly, let's switch off the numbering on this page here. Perfect. And we'll work perhaps only with these list values. The first objective is to set numbered lists and define custom number formats. To do that, select your list, go here, and you can view the numbering library and set numbered list like that. You can always see the preview, or you can define a new number format. There are a few presets and you can modify them later on, like write something here. And you can also change the font. So for example, for these numbers, I can set the font to be Arial Black with size 24 and font color orange. Let's click OK. And now you can see what it would look like. OK. And that's it. One of the objectives is to change from number to bullet characters. To do that, we would select and simply choose a bullet one, like that. Notice that they take some of the formatting, so let's perhaps switch off the number formatting, bring it back, and now to set the bullet characters, click here and select your desired bullet. Another objective was to set bulleted lists and define custom bullet characters. So we've just set a bulleted list, and to define a custom one, we go here, define new bullet. You can choose from symbols or pictures. So for example, we can choose this arrow. Let's click OK. And similarly define the font formatting. For example, we can change the color to red and the font size as it is. Let's click OK, and that's what it looks like. Now, to increase and decrease list levels, you have to select your line, go here, and change list level. Notice that there are a few levels. So, for example, let's choose level 4. And that's it. The next objective is to restart and continue list numbering as well as set starting number values. So firstly, let's delete those bullets. For example, here, decrease the indent here. Perfect. And now, for example, I'll write something here, like hello, and set the list numbering, for example, here. Or perhaps the default one. And let's say that we want to continue our list numbering from here. To do that, select the same type of numbering or bulleted lists. Notice that it doesn't continue from this one. To do that, Word automatically shows you like a hint or a feature to continue numbering, so we can use that. Or alternatively, we can set starting number values. So I would select this line, go here, and set numbering value to 5. Perfect. So yeah guys, that is all for today. I hope you find it useful. If so, smash that like button and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!